Class, open up your first grade math journal. Go to the very first page. We are going to create a number line together to help us count on and count back and just recognize numbers as we work in first grade math this year. So in your journal, open up the first page and hold your journal horizontally, not vertically. We're going to make a long number line for us. Horizontally, sideways. So right in the middle of the journal, just draw one horizontal line, side to side. At the ends, go ahead and put little tallies. Those are those lines going vertical. In the middle, draw one more line. Now in between each of these, this one, and then between these two, I want you to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need help, ask a parent at home to help you. What I want you to do is go ahead and label 0 to 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The way we use number lines is we start at 0 and we count on to get to the number we want. And so when we're representing numbers this week, you can start at 0 and then count to the number you're supposed to get. And every time you get to a number, well, that means you need to have an object there represented. So if I wanted you to show me 6, well, you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing at 0 because we start there. Also, number lines work if we're going to go from one number to the next. Remember, we start at 0, and I say 6, we're going to end here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so there's an object, there's an object, there, 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 and there. Every time we make a jump, it gets a new object to represent that number.